Ever wondered how to turn your interest in SEO into a money-making venture? Well, you're not alone. In the digital world, SEO auditing has blossomed into a lucrative business. With online businesses thriving, the demand for SEO expertise has skyrocketed. Mastering this skill not only boosts your digital prowess, but it also unlocks multiple income streams. From consulting to content creation, the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned as we reveal 5 ways you can make money with SEO auditing. First on our list is SEO consulting. Now let's dive into what an SEO consultant does. Picture a guide in the vast world of search engine optimization. Their role is to help businesses navigate this complex terrain, optimizing their online presence to attract more quality traffic. They work on improving website visibility, keyword research, link building, and much more. But how do they make money, you ask? SEO consultants typically charge for their expertise and time, often on a project basis. Rates can vary widely, depending on the complexity of the project and the consultant's level of expertise. However, one thing is clear: a robust understanding of SEO auditing is crucial for this role. SEO auditing allows consultants to identify areas of improvement and implement effective strategies. So if you're a problem solver with a knack for SEO, this could be your money-making niche. The world of SEO consulting is waiting for you to carve out your corner. Next up, selling SEO audits. This is an excellent way to monetize your expertise in SEO. How does this work? Well, it's about providing a comprehensive analysis of a business's website and how it's performing in search engine rankings. This detailed report identifies strengths, weaknesses, and most importantly, opportunities for improvement. Businesses are always looking to optimize their online presence, and they understand the value of search engine optimization. A well-executed SEO audit can reveal hidden problems that may be affecting a website's visibility and traffic. It can uncover issues with site structure, content, backlink profile, and more. With this valuable information, businesses can implement changes that significantly improve their search engine rankings. And better rankings mean more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately, more customers. So, if you have a keen eye for detail, a knack for problem solving, and a love for analytics, you can make a significant impact by selling SEO audits. If you're detailed-oriented and enjoy delving into analytics, selling SEO audits could be your ticket to making money online. Our third way to make money with SEO auditing is by offering SEO training. Now this might sound quite obvious, but you'd be surprised at how many businesses are willing to pay to train their in-house teams on SEO best practices. As an SEO auditor, we can bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to these businesses that they simply can't find elsewhere. Imagine offering a webinar or an online course where you break down the complexities of SEO into easy-to-understand modules. You could also offer one-on-one training sessions providing personalized guidance to help businesses improve their online presence. And the best part? You get to set your own rates. This isn't just a job, but an opportunity to share your passion for SEO and help others understand it too. It's about empowering businesses to take control of their online visibility and thrive in the digital marketplace. If you enjoy teaching and have a deep understanding of SEO, then SEO training might be the perfect fit for you. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing and SEO content creation. Let's start with affiliate marketing. You know the drill. You recommend a product on your website, a visitor clicks your affiliate link and ends up buying that product. And voila, you get a commission. Sounds easy enough, right? But here's the catch. Your affiliate website needs to be found first. This is where your SEO auditing skills come into play. By optimizing your site for search engines, you increase its visibility, driving more traffic, leading to more potential buyers, and ultimately, more commissions. It's like setting up a shop in the middle of a bustling city instead of a desolate desert. Now let's shift gears and talk about SEO content creation. Businesses are in constant need of quality SEO-optimized content to rank higher on search engines. But not everyone has the skills or the time to create such content. This is your chance to step in. With your SEO auditing skills, you can create content that not only engages readers, but also pleases search engines. It's like being a chef who knows exactly what ingredients to use and how to whip them up to create a dish that both looks good and tastes amazing. So whether you prefer the strategic side of affiliate marketing or the creative process of content creation, your SEO auditing skills can pave the way to profitable opportunities. Let's sum up the 5 ways you can make money with SEO auditing. First, we have SEO consulting, then offering SEO audits as a service. Third, there's SEO training. Fourth, consider affiliate marketing, and finally, SEO content creation. These are all fantastic avenues to explore and uncover what resonates best with you. Remember, the online world is full of opportunities, and with SEO auditing skills, you're well equipped to seize them. Start your SEO auditing journey today.